So I'm the sole user for that product, but of course the requirements and the design, the requirements and the design comes from other teams, and then I carry out the simulation. So I carry out the task with STAR-CCM Plus, and then I give my verdict to those teams and any suggestions to improve our technology and products. All right. Yes. So meshing, for instance, it's very easy to mesh, remesh, try different approaches to meshing. Traditionally, that's a very difficult job, but in STAR-CCM Plus, it makes it very, very easy and very reliable. Post-processing also is very nice, and all in all, the modeling, the physics that you can carry out and you can simulate, it's also very, very nice. I tried to move in, the priorities that as you said, does a good job. All in all, it's a very good software, but yeah. Maybe a little bit on the automation side, and like if you want to script something, if you want to automate procedures that happens through every simulation round that you have. That part could be a little bit cumbersome right now, depending on the operating system that you use. But that could be something. And also maybe introducing the software on other platforms like Mac OS as well. That also could be something nice. Yeah, that's like a very general question, because I have to see what's their need, but I would say a 10. Yeah. Okay, I have to ponder a little bit about this. Well suited, the applications that I have been using it with, in terms of flow and energy and temperature distributions and coupled solver, segregated solver, these kind of areas. If you need those kind of solvers, it's very good. It's very robust. Maybe on the combustion side, it could improve, especially if you have these kind of tabulated solvers that you want to use, not the detailed chemistry. Then it becomes very difficult to get some results from it, and do you trust the results or not? That's always the question on that kind of application. Something that I could think of really fast. Yeah. Yes. So during my studies, I worked with Fluent. At that time, it was only Fluent. Nowadays, it's called ANSYS Fluent, and the number of applications that I had with that software was quite limited. But at that time, it was one of the best, Fluent as well. The things that we did in university were quite limited, and it wasn't very complex. So I can't really compare apples to apple. But that software, I think, also is a nice software, and it has a very big team behind it. That STAR-CCM Plus. I think they're peers. They compete. As I said, I've been using STAR-CCM Plus during my professional career, so I haven't used that software, the Fluent, professionally. So I can't really say if it can handle everything that STAR-CCM Plus handles, or vice versa. But what I know is that many of my colleagues also use Fluent, and that should also be a good software. Yeah, well, negative, I can't think of anything. But positive, of course, I mean, we've been improving our products. We've been using this to test less, to make sure that our products will meet the requirements and meet the objectives that we have. And I've never seen a case that it has been proven otherwise. So yeah, it's been great to us. I'm just thinking right now. The price is going up every year, of course, and especially this year has been a big jump. Usually it's like 3%. This year's 10-12%. It's the value. Well, the value that we get is, you can't put money to it, because if you don't do it, then you have to test. It's just uncomparable. But of course, as everyone, you don't like to see, you know, price increases and but the value is immense. Yes, yes, very much so. Definitely, yeah, definitely. Yeah, it's very smooth, and Siemens and the partner companies, they have very good support teams, and if you have a problem, that they will fix it for you in no time. Yes,